We're back today here talking about what are the 5 most common procedures done in the Orlando area. Me being in MetroWest, close to Windermere, Dr. Phillips area, I would say most of my patients are coming in looking to have some sort of breast surgery as one of the most common, abdominal surgery, mommy makeover. Liposuction is probably one of the most common, combined with whether it's an abdominoplasty or Brazilian butt lift. Facelifts are pretty popular now, not so much in the summer here in Florida, but that is definitely, I would say, up there on the list. We see a lot of women coming in for breast augmentation. You're seeing them in their early 20s to mid 30s, maybe late 30s, going for a breast augmentation, asking for a little bit more fullness in their chest. What you can expect is we're going with the silicone implants. Your surgical course to take about 6 to 8 weeks from day of surgery to post-op recovery until you're back to doing your normal activities. Everyone usually very happy with the procedure. They're able to go back into wearing their bikinis or going out and just feeling comfortable with their bodies. Another common procedure we do is awake liposuction, which is amazing. No risk of anesthesia. You're awake, right? We give you a little bit of oral medication, makes you a little sleepy, but you're awake. Again, no risk of anesthesia. You're in and out of the office the same day. Patients are amazed at how good they feel that night of or the day after. The goal is to get you back to work, back to your activities. With awake liposuction, benefits are less medications, less downtime, quicker recovery. Liposuction as a whole helps with getting rid of stubborn fat, helps with your contours, gives you more definition. Some women want to get more of a waistline or more hips. Liposuction is great for all that. Facelifts. The one thing about the Florida sun is that sun damage over time does cause wrinkling. As we get older, we do lose some of the muscle and some of the fat in our face, which also causes some skin sagging. And it happens to everyone, unfortunately, but there are things we can do to help improve that, right? There's skin resurfacing, there's facelift surgery, there are other surgical procedures that help get rid of that excess skin and help tighten up that skin. The beautiful thing with a facelift surgery is that it takes years off. From day one, you notice a dramatic improvement. You're gonna come out feeling and looking better, healthier, more youthful. The recovery time is pretty good. Most patients do really well with it. Number 5 on our list of top 5 procedures done in the Orlando area is probably one of my favorite. The abdominoplasties, or otherwise known as a tummy tuck. One of the reasons I like this procedure a lot is, for me, it's fun. You get to see a patient who has some concerns about excess skin, maybe some loose skin around your abdominal region. Typically after pregnancy, a lot of women who are postpartum, they come in because unfortunately pregnancy does take a toll on the female body. It stretches out the muscles, it stretches some of the skin, gives them stretch marks, loose skin, things like that. That conventional methods like exercise, diet can improve but will not fix. So that's where, as a cosmetic surgeon, surgery helps. And it's also, again, it's one of those procedures where even day one, the transformation is huge from preoperatively. So I really like doing them. They're pretty fun. Some of the benefits, again, are you get rid of a lot of the excess skin, stretch marks, tighten up the muscles, help these young women get that more defined look, get that snatched waist. The benefits are pretty impressive. If you have any questions or concerns, or if you want to come in for a consultation, I'm happy to go over in detail any of those procedures with you. I know, unfortunately, we can't really go that deep into it here, but I'm happy to sit down with you and spend some time with you.